Milwaukee, Wisconsin is located on the west side of Lake Michigan, about 90 miles north of Chicago. It is the largest city in the state and is located at the mouth of the Milwaukee River, which is joined within the city limits by two tributaries, the Menominee and the Kinnickinnick. The city's magnificent riverwalk pedestrian path can be found here, and it's a joy to explore day or night. Milwaukee is a city of understated pleasures. It has a steady stream of festivals, has museums that can compete with any in the country, and produces some of the best beer in the world. Milwaukee is a festival city. It hosts a remarkable variety of events for a city of 600,000 people, from the massive Summerfest Indie Music Festival to brewing events, the Reckless German Fest, a lively Mexican fiesta, and the Arab World Fest. Something is always going on in this town. Milwaukee has a dazzling array of museums and galleries, and it punches far above its weight in terms of culture. The Betty Breen Children's Museum is a must-see for families. The Milwaukee Art Museum has an eye-catching design and a fantastic collection of masterpieces, and the Harley-Davidson Museum is dedicated to an American icon. The Milwaukee County Zoo is one of the largest in the United States, with 1,800 permanent animals, some of whom were born here, including polar bears, gorillas, and cheetahs. The zoo, which spans an impressive 200-acre site, offers an active educational program as well as a variety of fun seasonal events. The zoo has a reputation for its bonobo breeding program, which has resulted in one of the largest collections of these adorable pygmy chimps in captivity. The Milwaukee Art Museum is arguably the city's most well-known landmark. It was designed to blend into Lake Michigan harbors, and from a distance it appears to be an elegant boat. Inside, the art is spectacular, as are the uninterrupted views of the lakefront shore. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Milwaukee has a diverse dining scene with a concentration of German-influenced restaurants. There are excellent Mexican restaurants like Conejito's Place, dependable and reasonably priced pizza joints like Zafiro's, and upmarket restaurants like Mima's Cafe and Sandford, the city's highest rated restaurant in the Zagat Dining Guide. Mitchell Park Horticultural Conservatory, the world's only conoidal glass house that was designed by Milwaukee architect Donald Gribe, and features 5 140-foot conoidal glass domes supported by a concrete frame and aluminum guttering. The Mitchell Park Horticultural Conservatory's Showdown changes its display 5 times a year to focus on new historical, cultural or fantasy themes. Each fall, the conservatory offers 2 subject-specific tours. Attend art in the green during the month of August to appreciate the local art on display for sale inside the conservatory annex. Food and a night of entertainment are included in the celebration. The summer months are ideal for visiting Milwaukee. The lakefront is at its most inviting when temperatures reach the 70s and 80s Fahrenheit, and major events such as Summerfest are held. A trip in June or July is ideal, but for spring and fall are equally appealing. Winter also brings unique attractions, such as dog sled rides at McKinley Marina and wooden toboggan runs at Lowell Park.